Imagine standing in the desert, where the sun rises over a landscape of stone and silence. Before you, a structure that has stood for over 4,500 years, its form both alien and ancient, defying time. This is not just a monument. It is a testament to human ingenuity, a challenge to the limits of what we thought possible in an age without modern tools. We are here to uncover the mind of an ancient civilization that built something that still makes us pause, not just with awe, but with deep, unshakable respect. The question is not just how they built it, but why. What drove these people to create something that has endured the test of millennia? And what can it still teach us today? In the coming moments, we will step into the mind of an engineer from 2560 BCE and try to understand what they saw, felt, and achieved. The pyramids are more than just massive stone structures. They are the physical embodiment of an ancient civilization's ambition, precision, and mastery over materials and mathematics. Each pyramid was built to honor a pharaoh, serving as his eternal resting place and a symbol of his divine connection to the gods. But what sets them apart is their scale, their alignment with celestial bodies, and the sheer precision with which they were constructed. They were built with a level of engineering that defies our understanding of the time, using simple tools and human labor, yet achieving near-perfect geometry. So, when we talk about the Egyptian engineering of pyramids, we are talking about a fusion of art, religion, science, and sheer human will. The pyramids are more than ancient monuments. They're a testament to human ingenuity that still influences modern architecture and engineering today. The precision and scale of their construction challenge our understanding of what was possible thousands of years ago, and inspire ongoing research into ancient technologies. Understanding how the Egyptians moved and raised these massive stones is a puzzle that bridges history, science, and engineering. Each discovery about their methods adds another piece to the puzzle of human progress, reminding us of our shared capacity for innovation. Even in the modern world, the pyramids remain a symbol of what humanity can achieve when we push the boundaries of knowledge and creativity. The first pyramids were built during the Old Kingdom, around 2600 BCE. They were not just tombs, but monumental expressions of power and divine connection. Pharaoh Djoser's step pyramid at Saqqara was the first true pyramid, built around 2630 BCE. It marked the transition from flat mastabas to the vertical ascension of the pyramid form. The Fourth Dynasty saw the peak of pyramid building, with Khufu's Great Pyramid being the tallest structure in the world for over 3,800 years. By the end of the Old Kingdom, pyramid construction had declined in scale and frequency, signaling a shift in religious and political priorities. This era of pyramid building, though short, laid the foundation for the grandeur and legacy that would define ancient Egyptian engineering for millennia. So, imagine you're building a mountain out of blocks. That's basically what the Egyptians did with the pyramids. They stacked thousands of stones, one on top of the other, to make something that's still standing today. They didn't use modern tools, but they had smart ideas. They used ramps, like giant slides, to move the blocks up the sides of the pyramid. Each block was carefully measured and shaped to fit perfectly. They made sure everything was aligned so the pyramid would stand strong and look straight. The pyramids were not just big. They were built with purpose. They were tombs for kings, but also symbols of power and connection to the gods. So, even though they built them thousands of years ago, the pyramids are still a testament to human ingenuity and the strength of an idea that outlived its time. Before a single stone was lifted, the Egyptians had to plan the entire structure with precision. They laid out the site using ropes and measuring rods, ensuring the base would be perfectly level and aligned with the cardinal directions. At the heart of the site, they created a massive square base, often made of compacted sand and stone, to support the immense weight of the pyramid. This base was reinforced with layers of limestone to prevent settling. To raise the massive blocks, they used a combination of ramps and levers. Some scholars believe they built long, straight ramps that spiraled upward as the pyramid grew, allowing workers to haul stones with pulleys and wooden rollers. The base of the pyramid was also crucial for stability. They dug deep trenches around the perimeter to anchor the structure and prevent shifting. This groundwork ensured the pyramid would stand for thousands of years. The next step in the pyramid's construction was the precise placement of the massive stone blocks. Workers used a combination of ramps and levers to maneuver these blocks into position, ensuring each one aligned with the next. The ramps were not straight but curved, allowing for a more stable and gradual ascent. This design minimized the risk of collapse and made the transport of stones more efficient. As the pyramid rose, the ramps were repositioned and extended to maintain the slope. This continuous adjustment ensured that the blocks could be moved efficiently, layer by layer. Each block was placed with care, using a system of alignment tools and measurement markers to ensure the structure remained perfectly symmetrical and stable. The final blocks were positioned with such precision that the entire structure remains upright and intact for thousands of years, a testament to the ingenuity of ancient Egyptian engineers. The final step in this process involves a clever twist that ensured the blocks fit together perfectly. As the stone was lifted, the slight tilt in the ramp allowed for the precise alignment of each block. This tilt wasn't just for convenience. It was a calculated feature that minimized the risk of misalignment and allowed for smoother transportation of massive stones. This innovation in engineering highlights the Egyptians' deep understanding of physics and their ability to solve complex problems with ingenuity. The combination of precision, planning, and engineering in this final step is a testament to the skill and knowledge of the ancient Egyptian builders. This clever twist was more than just a practical solution. It was a reflection of the Egyptians' mastery over their environment and their ability to build something that has endured for thousands of years. Beneath the surface of the pyramids lies a sophisticated understanding of physics and materials. The ancient Egyptians mastered the art of weight distribution and frictionless movement, enabling the transport of massive stones over long distances. The use of inclined planes and levers was not just practical. It was a testament to their grasp of mechanical advantage. They turned the impossible into the achievable with ingenuity and precision. The precision of the pyramid's construction, its angles, its symmetry, hints at a level of mathematical knowledge that defies the assumptions of their time. They measured, calculated, and executed with remarkable accuracy. This was not just engineering. It was a harmonious blend of science, spirituality, and art. The pyramids were built to endure, and in doing so, they became a bridge between the ancient world and modern understanding. Imagine a massive stone block, weighing several tons, being lifted by a group of workers using simple pulleys and wooden sleds. It's not magic. It's just a matter of breaking a big problem into smaller, manageable steps. The key isn't in the size of the effort, but in the precision of the planning. They didn't build the pyramids in one go. They built them step by step, each level a careful, calculated addition. There's a kind of beauty in their simplicity. They didn't need advanced tools or complex machinery. They just needed a deep understanding of the basics: gravity, weight, balance, and patience. It's not about the size of the achievement, but the ingenuity in the execution. The pyramids are a testament to human potential when we focus on what we know, not what we don't. So, in a way, the pyramids are not just monuments to the past, but also a reminder that even the biggest challenges can be met with simple, smart solutions. Before you go, if you enjoyed this, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And tell us in the comments what you'd like us to make next. We read every single one. Thank you so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you made it to the end.